Hey teachers, I wanted to show you something pretty cool that IXL has, and some of you know about this, but some of you have not seen it before, so I wanted to make sure I showed you real quick. When you log into your IXL account through Clever, IXL has a way for you to really differentiate your instruction for your students' needs, and it's partnered with our textbooks to do that. So I wanted to show you how to access this. So once you've logged into IXL through Clever, you're going to click on the Learning button in green. And after you click on the Learning button, there's a little blue button that says Skill Plans. You'll click on Skill Plans, and it will bring up a screen of all of the math curriculums that you can use. So you're going to scroll down to Go Math 2015 and select your grade level. So I'm going to select 3rd grade. And what it's going to do is it's going to bring up almost like a table of contents for your math book of IXL skill practice for that grade. So this is chapter 1. And you can click to assign each one of these lessons. So there's a little star that will appear. And when I click on that star, it will highlight, and that will automatically assign it to students in my homeroom. So I click on that. Now you can see that this teacher has already assigned it because you can see that there is a report and it's processing. Like you can tell up here, it's thinking still. But once you click on these stars, they'll automatically sync with the students' Clever, and you can assign those lessons and practice for your students. It's a great way for you if you've taught lesson 1.1 in the classroom for homework to assign IXL for them to practice on. What's great about it is that the next day you can pull the report and see who's doing well with it or who still needs practice, even for small group. So once we get our technology, this would be a great center for students to do in the classroom. But until then, you can use this to partner with you in formative assessment of what you've taught in class. Now, you can also click on everything for the whole month and assign that. So if you wanted to, you could click on each one of these for like chapter 1. I would caution you though, because when you go to the student page, it will say your teacher has recommended 17 different activities. And if you haven't taught them yet, of course, students probably will not do well. But it would be great as a formative assessment and homework practice. The one awesome thing with IXL is that as you use it, it kind of adapts to you. So if a student is struggling with even or odd numbers, it's going to adapt to that, and it's going to go to a lower level question. If a student is excelling in it, then it's going to ask higher level questions. I just thought this was super cool, and I thought you guys would really like that, especially right now with homework. It's a great way to digitally assess students, and it's done for you. Plus, they can access it with their Clever badge at home. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.